tried to run from the city of the sun. You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for the sun. It don't matter what we think when it's all over, 'cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
Folks, how are y'all? It's DCS right here, and this time I've got the Hot Wheels series, no surprise in that. But guys, the car is the thing to talk about. It's the movie car, and it's from the Diamonds Are Forever, the 007's movie. It got 4 out of 10 in HW screen time. This right here is the 71 Mustang Mach 1, guys. This 70s movie, it was so damn cool, guys. The cop chase scenes in that movie, especially in the night road of Las Vegas, that was so cool, guys. Check that movie out, it's so damn amazing. And yeah, guys, well, talking more about the car right now, the 71 Mustang, it actually had a bit of performance drop, but still, the styling was so awesome. It came standard with that hood scoop and the chin spoiler too. How cool is that? And it also had an option of a two-tone hood color. That's so damn cool, guys. So yeah, that's the Mustang for you. It was so damn cool with those retro styling and all. So now let's talk about the previous video which I uploaded. Oh yeah, it was the Chrysler Pacifica, the crazy off-roading minivan. Check that out, it'll be popping up on the screen right now. Alright, so I put the quiz also in that video. So the question was pretty simple. Name this concept car. So the answer goes, guys, it is the 1993 Ford Mustang Mach 3, the concept car, which was, you know, left behind. I really don't know what happened to it. So the first person to actually comment the right answer was Danush B. Congratulations there, buddy. You have won a shout out from me once again. Alright, guys, so as there goes the quiz. This time I'm not putting the quiz, guys. Sorry about that. So let's go for the unboxing of this cool 007's Mustang. Now, taking a round look of 007's Mustang right here, guys. So let's start off with attention to detail. Yeah, look at those Mach 1 Mustang badging on the fenders. That's really cool, attention to detail. With those turn indicators at the side, that's really cool, guys. And yeah, those stock wheels might look boring, but still, it restores its classicness. That's the best part on this car. And yeah, the exhausts are amazing. Like, they're quite deeply detailed, which is so cool. And my favorite part is the transparent windshields. That's so cool, guys. It's one of my favorite things in the Hot Wheels thing, you know. And the interior, well, it does not have much, but it's kind of like a red velvet, which I really admire, you know. Well, there you have it, guys. That's a round look of the Mustang. Oh, I totally forgot one more thing, guys. Yeah, the disappointing part is that it misses the headlamp detailing, and it should have had the side view mirrors to be a completely cool Hot Wheel. But yeah, it has its flaws, and we can't argue with that. But still, guys, the detailing on this is so damn cool. I really like this Mustang. So now let's go for the information of this Mustang, guys. Alright, guys, let's talk 007's Mustang. So it is the information of the 71 Mustang Mach 1 right here, guys. So let's start off with the engine. The engine in the base, you get the 4.9-liter Windsor V8. And at the top, you get the 7-liter Cobra Jet V8, which is much more powerful than the Windsor V8, guys. And this car is a rear wheel drive. Well, talking about its horsepower, the horsepower in the 4.9-liter V8 is 210 horsepower, guys, which I was telling, yeah, that it had less power. And in the 7-liter V8, you get 375 brake horsepower, which means low number. That's a really good number right there. Well, time about its body style, guys. The body style is a two-door coupe. Moving on to its transmission, you get two options. That's the 3-speed C4 automatic and a 4-speed manual. I prefer the 4-speed manual over the automatic, guys. Time about its production. The production of the Mustang Mach 1 began at 1971 and it ended up at 1973. That was of the Mustang Mach 1, guys. Well, going for the 0 to 60 time, the 0 to 60 time of this car is 5.9 seconds, which ain't a bad time. That's a really good number. And time about the top speed is claimed to be 152 miles per hour, which is 244 kilometers per hour, guys. That's also a good top speed right there for the 70s, you know. Moving on to the dimensions, guys. So let's talk about the weight. The weight of this car is 1,655 in kilograms. And time about the width. The width of this car is 1,879 in millimeters. Moving on to the length. The length of this car is 4,800 in millimeters, guys. Well, going for the last part, guys, that's the price. At the present, the price is ranging from $22,000 to about $84,000. That is, if you want it in a really good condition right there. And there it is, guys. That's the end of the information. So now it's for the ratings. So seeing all of its information and its details and stuff, I give it a crazy 9, guys. 9 out of 10. That's a really good number for this Mustang. Alright guys, there it is, the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button and also comment your ratings for this car right here. I'll check it out next week, guys. So long till then, bye bye.